expertise, supply chain, and allied domain knowledge sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called spot stock warehousing. Under spot stocking, a selected amount of organization product line is placed or spot stock in a warehouse to fill customer order during a critical marketing period. In particular, manufacturers with limited or highly seasonal products are partial to this service. Rather than placing the inventory in warehouse facility on a year-round basis or shipping directly from manufacturing plant, delivery time can be substantially reduced by advanced inventory commitment to strategic market. Utilizing warehouse facilities for stockpotting allows inventory to be placed in a variety of market adjacent to key customer just earlier to maximum period of seasonal sales. Suppliers of agricultural product to farmers often use spot stocking to position their products closer to service sensitive market during growing season. Following the sales season, the remaining inventory is withdrawn to the central warehouse. Thanks for watching. Bye.